Hey guys, if you're having issues logging into the Binance app, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can solve this. So before we start, you need to head over to the home screen on your iPhone, head over to the App Store, and then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. Scroll down to Updates and just ensure you are running the latest version of Binance. Sometimes if you do have an outdated app, this can cause issues with the login. So once you've ensured you're fully up to date, you then need to head over to the settings icon on your iPhone, scroll down to General and select this, scroll down again and select VPN and device management. And just make sure you're not currently connected to a VPN. You can see right here, I have the message not connected, which is what we want. So you can then close out of this window and head back over to the Binance application. And then what you need to do is bring up the control center on your iPhone. Now to do this, you just use your finger and drag the screen down like so. And if you're currently on a Wi-Fi, I'd recommend trying to use your cellular data instead. And if you are on your cellular data, then I'd recommend trying to use Wi-Fi. Then we can come back over to the Binance app and you can now check to see if that's logging you in. Now another thing to try is resetting your password. Now even if you do remember your password, sometimes just by resetting it, it can fix this login issue. So all you need to do is come to this login page here and select forgot password, and as you can see, a reset password link will be sent to my email address, so I can just press continue, and then you'll need to head over to your email account and enter the verification code. And once you've reset your password, you can then once again try logging in and seeing if that's fixed it. Now if you have tried all of these steps and you still can't log into your account, the last thing I'd recommend doing is heading over to an internet browser and typing in binance.us/status and hit enter. And this is the official status page for Binance. So if there is a server outage or any problems with Binance or the Binance app, then it will be listed here, and it could just be the case that you need to wait for the maintenance team to fix the outage. So it's as simple as that, guys. Hopefully by following all the steps in this video, that's helped you get back into your Binance account. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.